Are you struggling with a problem in your Python project during a multi-stage Docker build? Imagine this. You have everything set up, yet pydantic, just an example, isn't getting installed, even though you have pip working in the final image. Frustrating, right? Let's dive into this issue together and find a solution. The solution to your problem lies in simplifying the installation process of pydantic. By following the provided steps, you can ensure that pydantic is installed correctly. In your final image, start by setting up the environment, copying the necessary files, and adjusting permissions. Then, focus on the crucial step of installing pydantic using pip install no cache dir pydantic. This command will fetch and install pydantic from PyPI within the virtual environment of your final image. Remember, keeping the image size down is always a good practice in Docker files. In summary, we tackled a common issue faced during a multi-stage Docker build in a Python project. By following the solution provided, you can ensure that pydantic is successfully installed in your final image. I hope this explanation was helpful to you. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And as always, happy coding!